Today I going to explain on cell organelle nucleus. First I tell you what is nucleus. The double membrane bound dense spherical protoplasmic body containing chromosomes is called the nucleus. Nucleus is the largest cellular organelle and it is also known as brain of the cell. Now I tell you some basic information regarding nucleus. The nucleus is usually present at the center of the cell. But in mature plant cell, it is pushed towards the periphery by the vacuole. A single cell consists of a single nucleus. This is known as uninucleate. But when a single cell consists of more than one nucleus, it is known as multinucleate. Example of uninucleate is example of multinucleate are skeletal muscle, certain algae and fungi. In bacteria, organized nucleus is totally absent. Some exception is there. Human mature erythrocytes and plants sheep tube do not contain nucleus, so they are non-nucleated living animal cell and plant cell respectively. Now we know about the structure of nucleus. Nucleus consists of following parts. What are the parts? That is nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin reticulum and nucleolus. First we know about nuclear membrane. The porous, delicate double membrane bound structure which surround the nucleus is called nuclear membrane. Here is the pore that found on the nuclear membrane. This pore is known as nuclear pore, and the space between the two membranes is known as perinuclear space. Now know about the function of nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane separates the nucleus from the surrounding cytoplasm. Next, know about nucleoplasm or nuclear sap. It is a dense but clear fluid present in the nucleus forming the matrix. What is the function of nucleoplasm? It stores reserved material that are used up at the time of the cell division. Next, know about nuclear reticulum or chromatin reticulum. What is nuclear reticulum? Suspended in the nuclear sap, there lies an irregular network of delicate threads called nuclear reticulum or chromatin reticulum. What is the function of this nuclear reticulum or chromatin reticulum? During cell division, thread-like bodies called chromosome are developed from this reticulum. From this reticulum, they contain the hereditary material that is DNA and control the characters of the organism. Now know about nucleolus. The highly refractile, dense and non-membranous dense and non-membranous spherical body present within the nucleus is called nucleolus. What is the function of nucleolus? Nucleolus help in the formation of ribosome. Ribosomes. It is also helps in the synthesis of ribosomal RNA. Now know about the function of nucleus. Nucleus is thought to be the center of all chemical activities of the cell. That's why it is known as brain of the cell. It contains the chromosomes, the bearers of hereditary characters called genes, and help in transmission of these hereditary characters from parents to offspring. Nucleus also initiates and regulates the cell division.